पूरी दुनिया के मजलूम मुसलमानों की आवाज़ शैडो मिनिस्टर बैरिस्टर इमरान हुसैन ने रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों पर ढाए जाने वाले मुजालिम पर ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में भरपूर अल्फाज में आवाज़ उठाई। मेंबर ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट व शैडो मिनिस्टर फॉर जस्टिस बैरिस्टर इमरान हुसैन ने रोहिंग्या के मुसलमानों की नस्ल कशी और पनाहगज़ीनों के हवाला से ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में तकरीर करते हुए कहा है कि रोहिंग्या में बढ़ते हुए मुजालिम को रुकवाने के लिए पार्लियामेंट में हुकूमत के साथ मुसलसल इस मामले को हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ। रोहिंग्या के मुसलमान अपने घरों को वापस आना चाहते हैं, लेकिन पुरतशद्दद वाक़यात इन्हें पनाहगज़ीन कैंपों तक महदूद कर देते हैं।
Let me be absolutely clear. I don't accept what the honourable member is saying, because in this very house I stood up soon after the atrocities took place in August last year, asking the minister to simply condemn these brutal actions, to condemn this ethnic cleansing, to condemn this genocide, and there was no condemnation at the time. If the minister has any doubt, if the honourable member has any doubt, he may wish to look back at Hansard. And the reality is, even today, I cannot think of one occasion when the government has condemned very openly and forcefully in this House. And the first real step, and the minister's listening, the first real step the Burmese government can take, if there is an ounce of wanting to move into the right direction, is give immediate and equal citizenship, not a passport to citizenship, not a route to citizenship, not any other scheme, an immediate passport, immediate right to citizenship. And promises and gestures, however, will not do that. Only hard action and a firm stance will work, because that is the only language that the Burmese government seem to understand. And the first action that we can take and should take is a referral of the Burmese government, the leaders, military and civilian, who are responsible for the Rohingya genocide, to the International Criminal Court, a point that's been made and made well. Madam Deputy Speaker, those who commit grave crimes against humanity do not belong in power, they belong in The Hague, they belong on trial for their actions. Let us be absolutely clear in this House, they are not being relocated from the refugee camps back to their villages. Those have been long burned to the ground, erased by soldiers equally keen to erase the existence of the Rohingya. Instead, they are being relocated to holding camps, camps surrounded by fences and barbed wires, camps that are a prison, not a new home. In these camps, the Rohingya are easily identifiable to the Burmese government, easily located, easily persecuted and easily killed. And when the same government and military that forced them out of their homes, killed their husbands, wives, sisters, brothers, mothers, fathers, sons, daughters are in power, killed when there are no guarantees on their protection other than the word of the same Burmese government, then, Madam Deputy Speaker, safe return is a word of fiction, quite frankly.